Just ahead of this year's official Memorial Day sales event, Amazon has unveiled an early sale featuring substantial discounts on its latest smartphones. Among the standout deals is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, now available for a record low price of $799.99, down from its original $1,000. This marks the first significant price reduction for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, part of Samsung's newest S24 series of smartphones. The limited-time offer is exclusive to the S24 Plus model with 256GB of storage and is available in amber yellow, cobalt violet, marble gray, and onyx black, while the standard S24 with the same storage capacity and color options is priced only $15 less than the S24 Plus. The larger screen size and enhanced RAM of the S24 Plus make it a more compelling choice. Our review of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus highlights the exceptional value it offers as a middle option between the S24 and the more premium S24 Ultra. The S24 Plus is slightly larger than its S24 and S23 predecessors and features the same vibrant QHD Plus screen found on the S24 Ultra. The 6.7-inch display of the S24 Plus is capable of presenting higher resolutions and achieves a peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring visibility even in bright sunlight. Additionally, the device is equipped with 12GB of RAM, compared to the 8GB in the S24, facilitating smoother performance and multitasking. Its robust battery life means you can confidently leave your charger at home for the day, without worrying about running out of power. In our detailed overview of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, we also noted that it shares many of the photo-enhancing features powered by Galaxy AI with the S24 Ultra, further enhancing its appeal. This includes superior image processing and advanced camera capabilities, making it an excellent choice for photography enthusiasts. With these features and the current discount, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus emerges as a top contender in the market, offering high-end specifications and performance at a significantly reduced price. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, this early Memorial Day sale presents a perfect opportunity to grab a premium device at an unbeatable price.